Hey lovely people, this is Candy and today I'm taking over Yardy Belly's kitchen. Today we're doing a simple dish. We're doing an authentic Jamaican original dish, and this is jerk chicken. And of course, you know, in Yardy Belly's kitchen we don't do anything normal. So of course we are going to kind of marry two flavors. I'm gonna use the authentic original Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. But that is just as a base. I mean, we don't follow rules around here. So I'm going to use this as pretty much a base. But then at the end, while the chicken is being baked, I'm going to finish it off with a mixture of, you know, other contrasting flavors. Namely, maybe a sweet chili sauce or something. Just stay tuned and you will hear how it turns out. But for now, I'm going ahead with the seasoning process, and the only fresh seasonings that I'm starting with is just some ginger and some garlic. So I'm just gonna add that to the chicken legs. And the reason for choosing these two seasonings is because the jerk seasoning already have most of the other fresh seasonings, such as scallions and stuff like that I would ordinarily use, but I just wanted some fresh garlic and of course the ginger. And to that I'm gonna add some chicken and poultry rub. Just adding a little of that. Yeah. And a little garlic salt. And of course, around here we don't cook nothing without our new favorite seasoning from Trader Joe's, the 21 seasoning salute. I'm gonna add some of that also. And this is salt-free, totally salt-free. All right, a little paprika. If I could only get the bottle to open. Yeah, so for the base for the chicken, I'm just adding some soy sauce. And that's a little scallion that I have there in the pot. I'm also adding some sweet chili wing sauce. Yes, I tell you, we're very unconventional around here. Not a lot because it's also a little bit spicy and we don't want too much spice. Also some good old ketchup. And some honey. I'm just gonna mix that around and allow it to kind of warm on the stove top, and then I'm gonna use it to base the chicken. Alright, yep. So my dinner is all done, and serving up the chicken with just a piece of baked macaroni and cheese, a piece of roast corn, and some fresh garden salad. And I'm just adding my chicken. This is what it looks like. Yeah. There you have it, guys. Dinner is served in Yardy Belly's kitchen. Be sure to try it in your neck of the woods. I mean, you don't have to stick with the recipe to the T. You can improvise. I mean, just like how I added the sauce at the end, it could be anything that you add to it to kind of, you know, give it a little flair. All right, so once again, this is Candy in Yardy Belly's kitchen, and until next time, deuces. Booyah.